I am David Erickson, and this is pro tip number. By default, LinkedIn sets your headline as your current job title and your company name. This is your headline right here. You'll want to change that. You'll want to write a compelling headline that states your value to a prospective employer, to a prospective client. What value do you provide, and what is your unique value proposition? What are your specialties? You want to include keywords that reflect your specialties, and you have 120 characters to do it. So first of all, think about the search experience. People search LinkedIn for talent, for finding someone that's going to fulfill a business need that they have, whether that's a freelancer that an agency or a company wants to hire, a company wanting to hire someone directly to fill a position, a full-time position, a headhunter or recruiter looking to fill a position that is open. People are searching for talent when they search on LinkedIn for people. And so you want to understand that search process. They're going to enter a keyword into the search field and scan the search results to see what they find. They'll look first at your photo, because people are hardwired to look at the eyes of people. So they are going to be directed to your photo first. Then they're going to look at the name attached to that photo in the search results. Then they'll read the headline, which is why the headline is very important. You want to write a compelling headline that draws them further into your profile and causes them to click on your profile. After the headline in the search results, they'll look at the location and then finally shared connections that you have. And we can see these in the search results I'll show you in a moment. So what benefit in that process, after people are searching and reviewing the search results, what benefit can you provide the viewer in that set of search results? So if you're a job seeker, if you're looking for a job, what you don't want to do is just say unemployed or seeking opportunities, and I'll show you why. I've got a tab over here that's open with a search result for unemployed searches. And so you can see that these top three results, all they have is unemployed in their headline, and that tells people nothing about who they are, what value they have, what value they can provide a company or an employer, what their specialty is. So you have nothing to, just from the search results, you have nothing to evaluate these people on what value they provide. Also, nobody is searching unemployed. So that's not going to help you in search results by using unemployed. The headline is a factor in search visibility, so you want to put in keywords that the people you want to find you are likely going to be using in their searches on LinkedIn. Another thing is seeking opportunities. So seeking opportunities alone does the same thing as unemployed. It tells you nothing more than you want opportunities. And so this top result here says seeking opportunities and nothing more. This next one is okay. Seeking entry-level position in communications, marketing, or PR. So this person's obviously still in college or just out of college. They don't have any experience, so there isn't a lot of expertise they can put in their headline. But they do say what fields they want a position in, so that gives them some keywords: communications, marketing, or PR, that that will help them be visible in search results. And so recruiters, people who are looking for entry-level positions to be filled, maybe searching for, seeking some combination of seeking in communication, seeking opportunities marketing, seeking opportunities PR, to fill those positions in those respective industries. So this could be something that would be valuable for a recent graduate to use on their LinkedIn headline. But so rather than unemployed and seeking opportunities, you want to be specific about who you are and what you do. So in this case, this person has been Communications professional seeking challenging and rewarding opportunities. I've seen that before. That tells you that they're a communications professional, but it doesn't really narrow down what type of opportunities they want. Another one I came by was content creator, editor, and social media manager seeking new opportunities. Now that has a lot more in that headline that tells you about that person, what kind of positions they may be able to fill. So you want to use the job title. That's a tactic that people often use for job seeking. Use the job title that you want to get hired for, and then explain in your summary section that you're seeking a position. So you may not actually have that job title, but you can include that in your headline, and then after you get some people to your profile, you can explain that you're looking for that position in your summary field on your profile. So let's take a look at content marketing as a search. This is an excellent one, and this is one for people who are either employed or are looking for new business development. So people who are employed typically have just a title, content marketing content manager, or the title with their employer, and that's fine. If you are in the field of doing if you are doing new business development for your business, for your own business, or for your company, then having that value proposition helps a great deal. And this is a great example of that. I help entrepreneurs start and grow businesses with content marketing. So it tells the viewer exactly what this person does, and it tells the person, it has the keyword for what people are likely searching for to help them get found. So I search for content marketing, it's got content marketing in the headline. All right. So think about some formats that people use. Current job title, the company, expertise keywords, and then unique selling proposition. Now you've got 120 characters, so you have to be economical. But if you can fill in all those, that's a format that a lot of people use in their headlines. You want a quick and easy way to draw people into your profile from the search results using the keywords that the people you want to attract are likely using in their search results, and make it as easy as possible for people to go, oh yeah, that's exactly who I need. The other factor that people use LinkedIn for is if you are in business and you're setting up a business meeting with a potential new client, with a vendor that you're going to meet, those people, if they don't know you, will likely turn to LinkedIn and search for your name to find out more about you. So having some of those keywords of your expertise and your unique selling proposition, basically for yourself, gives those people talking points. Gives you some common things to talk about when you first meet. So it kind of breaks the ice virtually. Let's look at a social media manager. So this is likely a search result that a recruiter is going to be searching for, or somebody within a company that is looking for that kind of talent to fill. And so you can see all of these follow the standard format of current job title followed by company. It's not particularly helpful in giving you extra information about what makes you unique, but it does match the search phrase that those types of people, the people looking for that type of talent, are going to be looking for. Another thing that I do and I recommend is using expert in your keywords. Now that assumes that you do actually have expertise. There's several years ago, there's a big brouhaha about using expert as applied to yourself in your LinkedIn profile. But you know what? After a certain amount of time and experience, people do get expertise on a certain topic. So if it's earned, use it. So for me, it might be content marketing expert or search engine optimization expert. What I would stay away from is words like guru or ninja. These are kind of faddish and don't really come off as really professional, but expert is probably what people are searching for if they want that type of expertise. So the topic of your expertise followed by the word expert. Be specific. So I'm going to search for developer here. Now you may be a developer. But there are all kinds of developers. So as you can see, there's an economic community developer, a developer of things, a front-end developer, WordPress developer. What you want to, if you are a developer or some, rather than using a generic word like a developer that can apply to many things, you want to be specific. So in this case, front-end developer is specific, WordPress developer is specific, JavaScript developer is specific. So let's change the search and go JavaScript and see what we find. All right. So that is what if people need JavaScript developer, that's what we're going to be searching for, right? Or JavaScript expert. So be very specific in the keywords that you're using. So another thing you can do is go bold or go home. You can I've seen people using bold claims in their headlines. If you're comfortable with this, it is an option. Some examples I've seen, or some examples I thought of actually that I could use: building brand awareness, expert positioning, and customer trust through earned media and public relations. So that tells you exactly what you do. It includes keywords that people are likely searching for. Another one, driving bottom line results for your business through content marketing. Finding and attracting your customers through award-winning digital marketing strategies. So that's kind of pat on the back, bragging a little bit. So if you're a Norwegian, maybe you want to stay away from that. Always in beta, learning, striving, evolving. That might be something if you're a little bit older and worried about ageism creeping into analysis of the search result. That kind of tells people that you're on top of it. You're not getting older in your skills. You're continuing to learn and strive and evolve. And here's some bold ones. I have created digital marketing departments in 2 organizations. I can do it for you too. That's pretty bold. Not a lot of people are doing that, but I've seen those types of headlines being used. I am the answer to your frustrations over that long vacant VP of digital marketing position. If you're looking for a position and you feel like you are really good and you can fill that position, maybe that's something you want to think about. It's something you can test out. It really depends on your comfort level of whether or not you want to go that route. But I have seen those. So the bold headlines. Finally, so how to edit your headlining and edit the headline here for my profile. Here's mine. Digital marketing and PR expert. I told you about the expertise, right? Award-winning content marketing, social media, SEO veteran. I build audiences online, so there's my unique value proposition. I'm going to edit this. And you just click on the edit. You're on your profile. You see that little edit button. You click on the edit button on your profile and you get into the headline. Headline is right up front. And I'm just going to change one word here instead of veteran. I'm going to say consultant, because that's another keyword that people are likely using to find talent. You'll notice that I'm -1 here, so I'm 1 character over the limit. So I need to eliminate something, and in order to get there, I could go comma after instead of a hyphen that do it. But I like that hyphen, so I'm just going to take out this end period. Save that, and there we go. Consultant is done. So that's how you customize your headline. You should do that. Give it a lot of thought. Do some keyword research if you haven't any idea about what type of things that people are searching for related to your field. But definitely put those keywords in and think. Put your head put yourself in the head of the person who you want to attract, and think about what they'd be searching for.